Hey there guys, it's Carlos with Investing with Chris. Today I'm going to go over how to place a limit buy on Bitrue. It's pretty much the same on every exchange. On this one I will be showing you how to put a limit buy on CSS. And basically I'm just going to go straight to the exchange. This is the front of the page. Now when you're in here you're going to see pairings. Every exchange has pairings. This is the BTC pairing with every other crypto. So you could buy with BTC, all these cryptos. USDT, you can buy same thing, almost all the same cryptos with it. But for me, I'm going to do the XRP pairing. I'm going to come down here, find CSC, I mean. And I'll click that. And in this screen, let me cancel a buy. I have a buy here. I want to cancel it. To rebuy. Confirm. You can cancel anytime. As long as your buy hasn't gone through, you can cancel anytime. Even a sell order, you can do the same thing. Okay, so basically this is how much XRP I have, and the price of CSC right now is 1945. Actually, that 1945 is your the price in XRP it's going for. So those are the drops it's going for. The CSC price is actually 0.0005 right now. I want to buy below that. So if I were to buy right now, I would get 278,000 coins, basically. But I don't want that. I want to buy at 1550. So right here, I'm going to put 1550. And that's a limit buy. That's a market buy. Market is just you're going to buy right at the market price. So you would buy it at the 1945, which is in CSC would be 0.0005. And then this is a stop loss order and stop loss sell order. So buy and sell. Trigger order. It'll be different in every exchange. They call it a trigger order, but we'll go over that some other time. It's a little bit more in depth. For this limit buy though, I'm going to do the 00150. That's the price of the drops in XRP, which will give me 324,000 coins. So basically all you're going to do is after this, once you do that, you're going to press buy. And once you do that, it'll confirm successfully, and then there you go. Your buy is in there now. It's the same exact thing with sell orders. Same process. You're going to put your sell. Of course, you're going to put it above the price. So say I wanted to sell at 0030, a higher price than that, and then I would set my sell, and that would be it. I would just sit and wait until it sells. Both sides, every exchange does it this way, and that's pretty much how you buy. That's the gist of it right there. So yeah, guys, get out there, put your orders in now. It'll make it easier for you, so that way you don't have to sit and wait to buy at a price. Use Bitrue. I'll put the link down below, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.